Alright, what's going on? So this is going to be my first video. It's going to be an unboxing and install video for a Nardi Woodgrain steering wheel with NRG quick hub release kit. So let's get started. Ordered this off of JHP USA. First time buying a brand new Nardi. I didn't cash out for anything really crazy, I just got the black. It's pretty cool that they come with the little cover that you can reuse. What is this? Probably some sort of like authenticity, yeah. Authentic. Let's take a look at this real quick. See if there's any damage on that wood. No scratches on the outside. Looks pretty good. And then you got the horn in here with the little dial that goes around it. Hold on a second. Alright, so we got our hub adapter and we got the quick release. It came in a pretty nice little package. I mean, what you'd probably expect, I guess. Let's see. Looks like it's got an adapter ring for something. My old one didn't have this, so I'll try to figure out what that's about. And then I think these little pieces go in between the hub here. But let's get started and installing it. First thing, again, already has the setup on it. And so what's going on here is I got Recaros that are going in the baby, and these Corbus are going to be going into the other wagon. And I'm going to be re-welding the brackets there and going over that, and then the next video is going to be making brackets for the Recaros, because they don't come, they don't make brackets for Civic wagons, so